Oh yeah.
They did more of the zingers instead of the big old ones.
Yes, oh my goodness.
Keep doing those ones. Those are cool.
Yes. How's yours?
That's all.
Yeah. Yeah, but in the future people can watch like a what do you call it? Like a pass.
Rewatch.
Huh?
Like a rewatch.
Yeah.
Should get one of these.
I'm fine with my little thingies.
That's gonna be a good one.
Come on! Wow!
We're doing some on that side as well. Let's pan around this way. I like it's got a nice breeze out here.
Yep.
It's so hot like it was earlier today.
Oh, 75 degrees?
Oh, it's 75 out here. That's good.
Yeah, it's nice.
Not too hot. A little breeze.
It is nice. Oh, come on. I was expecting more than that. Okay, that's a little.
They got music playing.
Yeah, I hear that. They're doing a little party.
Yeah.
I mean, I would too, but I can't because it would be copyrighted.
That's okay. I can all hear the firecrackers.
Yeah. Oh.
That's a big one.
Yes! Yeah, oh my goodness!
There's a little red dot in the middle of that one. You see that?
Yeah?
Don't you just love living in Texas where you can pop your own fireworks? Don't have to go and see them.
Isn't it illegal in California to do that?
Illegal. It's very illegal.
In California?
Very illegal.
What? I feel bad for y'all in California. I don't know what they're doing over there.
My neighbors over there might be sleeping. It's only 10:39.
Is it?
Yep. They probably went and bought like $1,000 worth of fireworks.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I would too, to be honest, Mom.
Right?
Whoa.
That's just down the block.
Yep. And you can see that. My muddy prints.
On the other. One of those more whistling ones.
You can smell it, Ma.
You know what I mean? Smells like firecrackers. Oh, that. Nope.
Whoa. Whoa, those are amazing.
Those are pretty cool.
Yes.